Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome to Meatless Mondays at Char's Vibes Kitchen. Yes guys, you might be saying, what is it that Char has now? So we are going to do a little soup or broth because we're putting potatoes in, so we might not call it so much of a broth. So these are all the ingredients that we will be using, guys. Our bok choy, we have 2 potatoes here. We have about 2.5 carrots. We have half of onion, and we have, yes guys, we have our spiral pasta, just a few, not a lot. So yes, and of course, you know, we'll be throwing in maybe some more spices, some herbs, which I will list in the description. But guys, I just want to tell you a big thank you, a heartfelt thank you from the bottom of my heart. I thank you guys for all the love, for all the support. I thank you. I see what is going on. I can see the growth. This is a very small channel, but I see it and I appreciate all that have subscribed. So yes guys, I just want you to continue to like, continue to comment, continue to share, continue to spread the love. I appreciate you so much. We are on to 100. Yes, I'm not going to even say 60, but 100. Yes, that's what we're going to say, right? We are on the road to 100 subscribers. Some person might be saying, hey, but yes, I am grateful. I am so grateful, guys. So guys, stick around for this easy, this quick soup. Vegetable soup, if we must call it that. Yes, vegetable, because yes, we have our veg here and we have a little, you know, starch going on, so we would call it vegetable soup, or bok choy vegetable soup. So stay tuned, and Char's Vibes Kitchen will be right back. So okay guys, our potato has been washed, so we are just gonna peel our potato real quick because our pot is boiling. So we're just gonna add everything, because this will be one of the easiest meal. Easy. So just put that there. Let us just put this out of the way just for a second. So we're just gonna peel our potatoes real quick. Yes guys, I hope everyone is doing well. And for those persons who are in Canada, how are you doing? How is the weather treating you? guys, this is the pak choi that we are used. So we're just going to cut up our onion. Okay guys, we're going to add carrots to our soup. How could I forget the carrots? So yes guys, our pot is boiling, our water is boiling, so we're just gonna add everything. So we're adding our carrots, we're adding our potatoes, we are adding our bok choy, and we're adding our onions. Alright guys, so yes, there it is. So we're just gonna put this, cover this back up and let it do its thing. Really, of a fact, we should have added our bok choy like very last. We do not want it to be too soggy, but yeah, we're just gonna leave it there, and yeah, we will be right back. Okay guys, I forgot almost to add our pasta. Yes guys, guys, I just don't know, I might have said this like 1,000 times. Just the fact that this looks so beautiful, I'm already liking it. Yes guys, so we're just gonna cover back our pot and then let it sit for maybe not more than 10 minutes. Oh guys, look at our soup thus far. Look how colorful, how beautiful, how delicious. Our bok choy vegetable soup is almost ready guys. Just like 2-3 more minutes and we are good. This is so quick, this is so easy. Stay tuned, we will be right back. Hey guys. Guys, this is our soup. This is our soup. It's all ready. It's all ready, guys. It's all ready. So easy, so quick, so delicious. So we're just gonna share a bowl now. We're gonna have a bowl, guys. We are gonna have a bowl. This is our bok choy vegetable soup. Yep. Yes, guys, here is our soup. It is all ready. How colorful, how beautiful, how delicious. Our bok choy vegetable soup with spiral pasta. Thanks again, guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you so very much. I can't thank you enough for all the love. I will catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for the next explosive video. Thank you.